What's up, Big Joe over here at Northstar Kia in Woodside. You know, everybody's talking about my Telluride. Joe, you talk about your Telluride too much. Well, now we're gonna go inside and talk about some new rides. Let's check out this new 2025 Kia Sportage X-LINE, sapphire blue, black leather interior. And look at the class and space you have in the Sportage, you know? Just like a Sorento, just like a Telluride. If I can fit in it, you can fit in it. Let's check out this huge digital display over here, all right? Which basically takes the whole front of the car, so you can't miss a thing. Check out this fine stitching on this upholstery. Mind you, it's all heated. Now let's not forget, the Sportage also has the panoramic roof. The amazing tech on top of your fingers. And don't forget Apple CarPlay for those Apples and Androids. And let's not forget a Northstar Kia. Good credit, bad credit, no credit. You could be sitting in the new Sportage.